Hi everyone, we're going to show you what treatments you can use to protect your outdoor wooden structures so they have the full protection they need to stay healthy. We'll also show you the differences in product selection and why one will be picked over the other and why. We'll be concentrating today on sheds, fencing and decking. All of Baratine's exterior protective treatments are oil-based. This means they are easy to apply and deep penetrating, won't peel or flake when dry and are easy to reapply for annual maintenance. It's also good to note that most timbers bought for these types of structures will be pressure treated. This is a process used to impregnate timber with preservatives within a vacuum chamber. Now this may reduce the need for immediate maintenance, but they're not maintenance free as this doesn't penetrate deeply. This also doesn't prevent water penetration, which will result in cracks, warping and irreversible damage, compromising its structural integrity. First we will start with the surface preparation on both the shed and the fence, using Baratine's Wood Reviver, which will restore the grey UV weathered damaged wood back to its original warm tones. We're now going to apply the Wood Reviver to the wood quite liberally using this brush. We will then agitate the surface with a scrubbing brush and leave it for around 15 minutes. This will reveal the warm tones of the wood, and finally we will rinse. If your decking is already in good order, instead of using the Wood Reviver as we did, you can use Baratine's Super Concentrated Decking Cleaner. You can simply use this before applying the Knockout Mould and Mildew Cleaner. It is a fast-acting, water-based decking cleaner. It's suitable for all decking types, including wood, composite and plastic. It can also be used on outdoor furniture. Just one 500ml bottle will clean up to 40 square metres of decking. It actually uses 70% less plastic than ready-to-use alternatives. Just add to water in a watering can and then scrub the decking before rinsing. If you've recently laid decking yourself and have any areas where the inner grain has been exposed by cutting or drilling, we should always add a cut end preservative to these areas, such as Baratine's Cut End Preserver. It's available in two options, clear and green. This will protect any exposed grain from future rot and fungi before applying the decking oil. Now the wood has been revived, we need to ensure the surfaces are clean from mould and mildew. Now for that we're going to use Baratine's Knockout Mould and Mildew Cleaner. This is a ready-to-use surface fungicidal wash that can be brushed onto the surface. It will eliminate mould, mildew, algae and fungi and any spores you can't see yet. This will future-proof the surface before we apply any protective coatings. Now the preparation side has been done, we're ready to add our protective coatings. For the fence we are using Baratine's Premier Wood Protective Treatment. This is perfect for protecting already sound wood like fences, gazebos and pergolas that don't require any further preservation, and that's why you would use this over a wood preserver. As an oil-based treatment, it has excellent water repellency. The water will just shed from the surface when raining. It's safe around plants and pets when dry and also beneficial insect friendly. It's available in 8 attractive colours including clear. Here we are using the light brown version. For the shed we are using Baratine's Premier Wood Preserver. This is a belt and braces approach for long-lasting protection for structural timber, as this product contains a protective biocide preserver. This will future-proof the timber and protect it from wood-destroying fungi, wet rot, wood discolouring fungi and wood-boring insects. It's used as a final finish so it cannot be overpainted. It contains high-quality water-repellent resins and also contains UV fade-resistant pigments to protect against UV damage. The Premier Wood Preserver is available in 8 attractive colours including clear. We're using the light brown version today. For the decking we are going to do this in 2 parts. Firstly we're going to apply Baratine's all-in-one decking oil, which will nourish and protect the wood from weathering and UV damage. As this contains no biocides, it's safe for plants and pets when dry and also beneficial insect friendly. For the second part, now the decking has had 2 coats, to combat any slippery surfaces we can apply the award-winning anti-slip top coat decking oil. This is used only as a top coat and will add grip to the surface. It can be used on decking, deck boards, but can also be used on handrails too. All the garden structures are now fully renovated. The shed, the fence and the decking have been restored with Baratine's effective preparation and protective treatments. We've secured in that new look and nourished and protected the timber with Baratine's wood protected treatment for the fence, Baratine's wood preserver on the shed, and Baratine's all-in-one decking oil on the decking. And not to forget the award-winning anti-slip top coat to combat slippery surfaces. This will now protect all the timber to stand the test of time with our unpredictable UK climate. We hope you found this video useful, and if you have any queries on your garden project, please get in touch.